Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to make this part by using the sketched bend in sheet metal, and also we will learn how to make this part by using the jog feature in sheet metal. So let's begin. At first, select file, click on new, select part here and then click OK. Select the front plane, click on sketch. We are going to select this center rectangle, make the center rectangle at this origin. And now select the smart dimensioning tool, specify the length of this side as to 50 millimeter. Then select this line and specify the length of this line as 120 millimeter. Then press the escape button, go to sheet metal here. In case you do not have sheet metal, you can import it from here. Now go to sheet metal, select this base flange option, and here we have to specify the thickness of this plate. So let's specify as 2 millimeter, but 3 millimeter is more appropriate. Now simply check this box and change the background to plain white from here. And now let's define some appearance. You can define any appearance you like. I'm applying this steel, this one. Okay, so now let's select this surface and click on sketch option. Select the line command, and from this midpoint to any point here make a line. And now select the smart dimensioning tool. From this point to this corner, specify the distance as 45 millimeter. And now go to sheet metal and here select sketched bend. In this window we have to select this surface, okay, this side of the plate, and here you can see the bend. So we have multiple options here, this material inside and material outside, and we have this option as well, so you can select anyone. And here we can specify the angle of this bend. So let's specify our 45 degree. Now change it to 30 degree, and here you can visualize how we can import this sketch bend. So now check this box, and now let's make another bend. So select this surface, click on sketch. Similarly, make a line from this point to this corner, make a line. Now specify the distance from this point to this corner as 75. Now again go to sheet metal and here select the sketched bend option, and here we have to select this side of the plate, and here you can see the bend. You can specify here any angle. I'm specifying a 30 degree for the bend, then check this box. So now apply some difference appearance, and now we are done with the sketched bend, and now let's move on to jog in sheet metal. So for that, open a new part file here, click on front plane, select the sketch option, and here select the center rectangle and make a rectangle at this origin. Now specify the length of this side as 120 millimeter and specify the length of this side as 75 millimeter. And now simply go to sheet metal, select this base flange option, and here we have to specify the thickness of this plate. So specify here 2.5 millimeter, and then simply check this box. Now go to appearance. Here you can define any appearance you like, change the background to plain white, Select this surface, click on sketch, select the line, and from this point to any point here make a line. Now select this smart dimensioning tool. From this point to this corner, specify the dimension. So let's specify here 50. Check this box here. Now go to sheet metal and here select jog in sheet metal. In the very first window, this one, we have to select the line we have created. So select this line, and here you can see by using this jog feature we can create this sketch. So we have multiple parameters here. We can change the height of this sketch from here. So specify here 30, and we have multiple options here. You can change the angle from here. So specify here 90°, and now we have multiple options for this profile. This is material in, material out, and we have other options as well, you can see. So you can select any from here according to your design, and now simply check this box from here, and by using the jog feature we can create this sketch. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn more about sheet metal, then you can find the link in the description. Thank you.